Good morning, class. Today I am going to take English Literature Unit 3. Chapter name is So What Are You Anyway? Chapter is So What Are You Anyway? Writer of this lesson, Lawrence Hill. Lawrence Hill is a Canadian novelist, essayist and memoirist. He is best known for his 2013 message, Lecture Blood, The Stuff of Life, his 2007 novel, The Book of Negroes, and his 2001 memoir, Blackberry, Sweet Juice on Being Black and White in Canada. So, this was the introduction about writer. So, we'll start the lesson. So, what are you anyway? The chapter is about racism. So, what is racism? First of all, we'll talk about what is racism. Racism is an unfair treatment of the people because they belong to a different race to our own. Racism doesn't always appear in the form of violence or hatred. It can also be quiet and sometimes difficult to identify the exact problem. Children, now let us know what exactly racism means. We humans have always had a tendency to dislike and distress people who are different from us. Black people are one of the many groups deeply affected by the unjust behavior or the bad behavior. Starting from the early 17th century, black people from Africa were taken from their home and forced to work as slaves in many parts of the world. They were denied the basic freedom and rights given to the other people. Why were not allowed to vote, or they were not allowed to vote or to learn how to write and read. They were not allowed for anything because they are the part of racism. What is racism? They are the black people dislike persons. They are not allowed to learn and write at all. This cruel system also supported by the laws. Now, system is very fair nowadays. The story is about young girl. So, now we'll come to know about the story. The story is about young girl named Carol. She is seated next to a couple named Henry and Betty Norton, who questioned her about her race. She was traveling and she was sitting to these two couples. They asked her about her race, her color. Race about her color. Carol, being a child, does not understand the concept of the race or why it would matter to these couples, strangers. And who, with the strangers, these two people, the couple with the strangers for this little girl. They continue to ask her intrusive questions. Then they are aware that she doesn't understand and that she doesn't feel comfortable about the question they are asking to her. They were asking her same questions about the race again and again, and she get irritated by the questions. They continued to verbally harass this girl. Harass means they are forcing this girl. In the last, the girl showed her anger. The girl showed her anger, and the same question she asked them what they would feel if they would be asked such questions. And then Carol gets moved to a different seat, and Mr. Norton telling her husband talk about sensitive, which only proves that they are still ignorant as to why their actions wrong. They were not knowing what mistakes they were doing. They were harassing a child and it was not good. So class, this lesson is about the harassment, about the racism. What about the racism? Racism, it means the people who is white, who is black. The black people, general persons doesn't like, and the white people, everyone is like. So this is not good to be a part of racism. So I hope you are understanding the lesson. Read at home, try to understand it. Thank you class. Thank you very much.